said I should hurry up. Good morning everyone, welcome to my channel, season 2 on Sing China. A few days ago I had a really long bus ride, a 4-day bus ride starting from Xinjiezhen to Nansha, Yuanjiang, and then Pu'er, and finally to Ximeng Wa Autonomous County. But today I am leaving for another county, not very far from here. It's called Menglian, and I'm going there for the famous water pouring or Songkran Festival. There are a lot of Thai population living in this region in southern part of Yunnan. They share culture with Thai people from Myanmar, Laos, Thailand, and Waters Festival is one of the grandest festival. So this is a bus that I am going to take. You will see the road. 师傅到孟连大概要多久啊？
不得1个小时40分钟。
1个小时4分钟。
按起来几个？按起来。 师傅好，电话号码个些啊？动作快，动作快，动作快，你睇下电话号码些啊？
This time I've got myself a very nice hotel room. It's $50 per day. It's not cheap, but during the Songkran Festival every year, all the hotel price will go up. And I advise you not to go to Jinghong because there will be millions of tourists. And in fact, as long as there is Thai population, there will be Songkran Festival. You can also find celebrations in cities such as Gengma, Menglian, and Jinggu, etc. I even advise you to go to a Thai village because I think it's going to be quite a different experience celebrating the festival with local people. So after dropping my luggage in the hotel, right now I am in Nayun Guzhen. It's a Thai village in Menglian, and it has a history of more than 600 years. So you can still find many characters of a Thai village. For example, this is a water well. And on the top of that element can be found in many Buddhist temples. On many of the roof, you can see the decoration of a peacock. There are also 3 temples in this town. Starting from Yuan Dynasty, this town has been governed by the Dao's clan under Tu-si system. Tu-si is a hereditary title recognized by the imperial office. So throughout Yuan, Ming, Qing, 3 dynasties, this town has always been governed by the same family. Nowadays, most of the buildings in Nayun Guzhen are concrete modern buildings with some Thai elements. However, there are still a few remaining historical dwellings. For example, this one. This is a traditional styled house. This is the ground floor, and the bedroom and living room are on the 2nd floor.
你们挨着。
给我的摔过来，不错不错。
The weather is very bad today. It's moderately polluted and it's very smoggy and misty. You cannot see very far. There is no heavy industry in this region, so the news said that every year, starting from March to April, the weather will be like this. Because in the neighboring southern countries, it's a time of frequent forest fire and biomass burning for agricultural purposes. And then the airflow from the south is bringing up the aerosol particles, causing quite heavy air pollution. And unfortunately, this won't change until May, until the raining season comes. 大哥你好，你们是已经开始过泼水节了吗？啊，
你说的对。
就大家一起在这儿吃饭了，开始吃饭了。啊，
对了。
那你们会庆祝几天呀？
你让一点是行程太大了，等一下你用两个。啊，我们要搞好久呢。这是我们队长啊，你让他。
最少6天，
都是在这一块吗？
在上面那里。
哦。
明天去那里。大河边那里。
明天你们从大河边开始。
那里金茶开始。
哦。你要普通话讲好的。
然后你们还会回到这边来是吗？
哎，晚上我们就回到这边来。
哦，你们是就一个村一个村的庆祝的。
对的。
啊。
从1到7村。
你发的不对。
行，谢谢你们啊，我明天过来看看。
哎，
多一点啊。明天我带你过来看。
好的好的。
这里他们这些色狼，他们是色狼。
不是，你讲错了，渣男。
蟑螂，他们都是蟑螂，蟑螂也算不上他们。
你们这些小猫，
手机放个恶棍，美女爱蟑螂。
There will be a huge celebration in the center of Menglian, so all the groups will start from there, and at night, this is a place for banquet. I will definitely come by.好的，这个是什么呀？啊，
都是肉。
啊。So they just told me that they start celebrating only recently, and this will last until the 18th. Every day, the whole village will eat together. They are preparing some food. That is some barbecue, and those are some deep-fried meat. And they also offer me two small pieces. Oh. 大哥，这个是什么肉呀？猪肉，猪肝是吧？嗯。
你看在这里。
啊，好的，好，谢谢你啊。
在直播英文啊？
我没有直播，我是在录像。嗯。They are so welcoming. They also offer me some rice. That's a soup.
这里大厨，
大厨，
我帮你盛点饭，来这里吃点。
我不用，我就先尝2片，一会儿我到河那边去看看，我明天再过来看看你们做活动。
明天就正餐了，明天。
明天是吧？
啊，对，明天正餐。
我可以过来拍一下吗？
可以呀。
嗯。
随时欢迎啊，我们傣族人民都是好客的。
谢谢你啊。
真的。
谢谢。
欢迎啊。
好。
哎，欢迎来做客。
好。
孟连。
嗯。
欢迎来孟连做客。
大家都来孟连。 the full name of Menglian is called Menglian, Daizu, Lahu Zhu, Wa Zhu Autonomous Region, indicating the 3 major ethnic minorities living in this area. So for Lahu Zhu, they don't really celebrate Songkran, they have their own holidays, and they also have a different dressing style. One typical thing is the big earrings they have on their ears. It's so beautiful. To prepare for this festival, I also wrapped my camera in many layers of plastic bags. Now people start to go to the central street for the festival. Look at, hello! And look. 小妹妹，你们一会儿是要开车到那边去吗？到那边去泼水？哇！ So they have prepared different weapons. First of all, those are the water guns, and there is also a water bomb. You can throw it onto someone. But you can pull almost anyone, but the principle is that you don't pour water onto old people or kids because they are the vulnerable group. In Menglian, the Buddhist temples look very similar to that in Thailand, Myanmar and Laos because they all belong to one branch of Buddhism called Theravada. I came back to Yunnan town because I want to join them for dinner, but I'm a little bit lost here. Couldn't find a way. I went past by already two Buddhist temples, but I still couldn't find them. They're so nice. They said I should hurry up. 谢谢。
你一个人吗？
对啊，我过来过泼水节。
如果是还有同事的话，过来一起吃，姐姐这样说。
啊，好的。你们是全村子一起过吗？
对呀。
哇，就不是一家一家的过，是整个村子。哇，
来，你将就一点吃。
谢谢你们。
两碗呢？几层啊？就9个，哎，就上面来吗？好，买点硬的。
蒸包肉，
都是猪肉，
猪肉，
全部都是猪肉，没有牛肉
啊，都是猪肉。傣族是吃猪肉比较多嘛？
什么肉都吃。
While they are playing music next door, now I'm coming to Songkran Falls, this Buddhist temple, and tell you what had just happened. So we had a lot of food, typical Thai dishes, and they speaking in a dialect that I don't understand. It's Thai. I was asking them if they can understand people speaking Thai language, for example, in Thailand, Laos, Myanmar, and they said only a little bit because it's quite different. Tonight they're also going to drink together and play music and dance, and tomorrow it's the same, except for they won't make a big dinner for tomorrow. So this festival will last for several days until the 18th. So every Thai village in this region or in whole Yunnan, they will celebrate their festival together. So yeah, that's it. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and if you like it, please give me a thumb up. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.